In this video, I'm going to show you how to link drawings in MotiveWave. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open the charts where you want to link drawings in between. So I have these two charts over here, and now the first thing I'm going to do is link them just for convenience. So go to the top here and link them to whichever color you wish, both of them. And as you can see, they're now interlinked just like this. Now, of course, whenever you do that, drawings are not automatically going to get linked. So if I pull up a trend line here, for example, and draw it like this, you'll see that it's not going to copy over to this chart over here, okay? Now to fix this, what you're gonna have to do is actually create a new analysis or use an existing one. So they call these things analysis up top. You have to go to either this button, which of course allows you to create a new one, or you can just use this primary one, which is gonna be the basic one over here. So I'll just create a new one and I'm going to name it drawings, okay? There we go. I'm gonna base it on the primary and I'm gonna click on OK. Now whenever you do that, as you can see, it's gonna be applied to this one over here. Then I'm gonna go to the second one here, the second chart, and I'm going to apply the same one over here, so the same analysis. Now if I go here and for example select a trend line, so a drawing over here, it's going to pull up here, and as you can see, it's now linked to the second chart as well, and it's now showing the, of course, drawing over here on the second chart too, okay? So whenever I draw one, it's gonna be on the other chart as well, which is quite convenient. So if I were to, for example, put up a channel like over here, for example, it's going to create one on the other one as well, okay? Now the only downside of this is whenever you actually add studies or things like that onto your chart, it's also going to copy those over, okay? So that's not exclusive to drawings, it's gonna copy over the studies as well, but unfortunately that's just how it is, okay? So that's essentially it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.